Okay, now let's see what happens when I find the slope of these 2 points here. I know that my slope is going to be the change in y, so I start with the second numbers and I say -2 minus 6 over 2 minus 2. Let's change. We end up with -8 over 0. But here is a big warning. Big warning. Watch out. What do I see here in my denominator? I see a 0. This 0 means that my slope is actually, can't have 0 in the denominator, so it's undefined. Okay, my slope is going to be undefined. And let me write that. Slope is undefined. That doesn't mean we can't still graph this line, but let's see what it looks like when we plot these points. The first point is at 2, 6. So I'm going to go over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll estimate about right there. And that's the point 2, 6. The second point is over 2, down 2. So over 2, down 2. And when I connect these points, what do I end up with? But a vertical line. So if my slope is undefined, I end up with a vertical line, okay? And we can interpret this slope to be when y, let's say for this one, when y decreases by, in our case, 8, when y decreases by 8, there is no change. No change in x. My x value did not change for any of these points along here, did it? They were all the same. Remember that this would be a line where x would be equal to, in our case, it would be 2. See, the x value is never going to change when you plot any of these points along that line.